Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see amazing scientific facts about water. Water is composed of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, that is H2O. Nearly 97% of water that is present in the world is salty or undrinkable. Only 2% is fresh water. Water regulates the earth and the human body's temperature. 75% of the human brain is water. Approximately 400 billion gallons of water is used in US a day. On the basis of cooking, averagely 2800 liters of water is used in India per day. On the daily basis, 10 billion tons of fresh water is used in the total world. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.